It's a really difficult process if you don't know what you're doing, and this is the reason I'm making the video. Okay, it's how to share music. All right, and this is the reason I'm making the video, because it's not easy if you don't do it right. It took me like an hour to do configuration and everything. I was trying to share music with all of us. That's 4 of us. That's me and her, and that's a couple of friends of ours. All right, I'm gonna explain you what's going on with that, because I spent a good time to do the configuration and everything. All right. First of all is we turn this on. Don't touch the app. In the internet, on YouTube, you're gonna find videos with the app. Okay, don't touch the app. All right. What we do is we do hairs. First of all, up and down, these two, to turn into the Bluetooth. Okay. Then I will completely wipe out my previous settings. And how to do that is, now when I wipe out my settings here, I just do the Bluetooth settings. So don't use the DMC grouping and losing the settings of the group, right? This is blue, this is green, this is DMC. So we're going to put it on pairing mode to wipe just the Bluetooth settings. Remember, I just say that again. We're going to put it on pairing mode to wipe out the settings and reset pairing mode, and the two top ones, you press it till you see this color, wait, and the unit's going to turn off. All right, now. Okay, now we put both on Bluetooth, and then we put them on pairing mode so they can pair together. Okay, I think they have done pairing. Let's check it out. Okay, let's turn them to DMC by holding up and down if you don't have the other phone. Green. You see the two helmets, they are light up. That means we can share music. Alright, so let me check if these two connected. Yes, I can hear the noise. Good, connected. Alright, now let's play some music on this one. Let me check the Bluetooth here if it's connected. Yes, it is. The music. And let's see if it's gonna work. 2 seconds. Sharing mode activated. Sharing mode activated. It works. You hear that? Let's change the song. Alright, we did it. Okay, make sure you are updating to the latest firmware. That's the 5.11. I have a video before that if you want to see how you do it. And it works. Let me change the song. Excellent. Alright, and let me show you on the app how it looks like. To disconnect, just press for the passenger, okay, the pillion, press the top one for 2 seconds and it's disconnected. Alright, to connect, again, press the rider, 2 seconds. Sharing mode activated, it's talking to us and it's back on. Alright, so let me show you how it looks on the app. Let me turn off the music. You see it turns off on both, of course. Alright, it's connected. Okay, and let's go to... I'm gonna turn this around a little bit. Alright. So let's see it on the phone and how it looks like, the music. And you can see the two helmets here. Alright, it's setting. Pressing the music. You can put your own player, it doesn't matter. It works. Setting mode. On both helmets. Let me check. Yes. Alright. You can disconnect, but don't do it from the phone. I don't know why, but I was trying to set up the whole thing from the phone and it didn't work out, so I don't recommend it. Just do it exactly the way I have it, okay? And enjoy the music with your partners. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna share music with Rose. Thanks for watching, guys. Give us a like, subscribe, more to come.